Hello and welcome to the video. Regular viewers may know that my wife and I have been using the FodSports Intercom system for 2 years, and they have now sent us two of these M1-S Plus to review. In this video I will be unboxing and installing the system. I also have a discount code so you can get 12% off any product on the FodSports website. Use code NICK12 at the checkout on FodSports.com. Here are some of the main features. Dual mode Bluetooth for group connections with riders and audio systems at the same time, music sharing, microphone mute, call answering, road noise reduction, FM radio and a 900 mAh long life battery. Here's what you get in the box: a quick start guide, a user manual, M1-S Plus base unit. It's made from high quality plastic with easy to press rubber buttons. With the headset plugged in, it is also fully waterproof. You also have a 3.5mm audio input jack underneath, with a USB-C charger and headset input on the back. Next we have the USB-C headset with speakers and microphone. Next we have the mounting hardware consisting of rubber pads, metal and plastic clamp with double-sided tape if required. Next we have the Velcro pads for the speakers and the microphone. There is also spaces for each speaker in case your helmet has larger recess cavities. And lastly we have the 3.5mm cable for additional audio input, USB to USB-C charger cable and the alternative button type microphone. I will be installing this on my wife's Shark helmet. I will be using the button microphone. Here is the mounting clamp. It fits to the unit as shown. We will be using the rubber back sticky pad. And then the metal bracket slides in as shown. Here's what the headset looks like when it's connected. Plug the USB-C cable in, plug in the button microphone, you can also use a boomstick microphone if using an open face or flip helmet. If required, you can use spacers for the speakers on the helmet. I didn't need to use them. Now grab your helmet and remove both cheek pads as shown. This is where you'll be installing the right speaker. And this is where you'll be installing the left speaker. Place the unit where you think it will fit best. It will always need to go on the left side of the helmet. Grab the clamp and stick the rubber pad as shown. If the metal clamp doesn't slide, use the double-sided pad here instead. Slide the clamp on, slide it into the side of the helmet. Now install both left and right Velcro speaker pads as shown. Now install the microphone Velcro pad on the chin section. Now install the speaker and all the wires. The shorter wire is the left speaker. Pull the top lining away at the front so you can hide the wire for the right speaker. Install the right speaker. Now plug the microphone in. Hide all the wires neatly under the lining and install both cheek pads. Be careful not to pinch the wires. Now tuck the remaining wire in neatly along the edge. Job done. Now I'm going to pair it to my phone. Press both the buttons to turn on the unit. Now hold down the main function button until it flashes red and blue. Grab your phone, search for Bluetooth devices. Once you have found the FodSports unit, then press pair. You can now listen to music, map navigation, all on your phone, as well as speaking to Siri and Google. Here's how to pair two devices together. Turn on the device, hold down the intercom button on both devices. They'll connect to each other for rider-to-rider chats. You can also connect different headsets by holding the main function button, as shown. To connect a third intercom, hold down the function button on the third unit, as shown. That is the end of the video. Go to FodSports.com and use code NICK12 for 12% off any product. I've been using the FX6 for 2 years and they have been faultless. Now we have the better model M1-S Plus. We will be making another video at a later date with an update on real world testing. Until then, I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.